ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ka Seng Congress ka Basyong Hakalyang Persha jong ka Yeng Dorbar Thawan ka Jilla haga artari ubnay nailor arajar arpuway kalapha da ka Dorcas sha ka Secretariat jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly na kabantaban wanra yaga resolution ban Weng no ya uba Metbah Lyngdoh na ka Shuki lampang jong ka Yeng Dorbar Thawan Yagani ka Dorcas kabala soy de ki saungut ki MLA jong ka Seng Congress ki bakenthom ya Uzenit Manda Sangma uba George B Lyngdoh uba Kimfa S Marbanyang bat uba Himalaya Muktan Shangplyang la IT Shaka Assembly Secretariat haswa baka Yeng Dorbar Thaan kan penlong ya ka Dorbar Senrai kaban sedang nadu ka Shipotrik ubnai nailor arajar arpuway Unong elam jong kalyang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma hakajing ya kren bat kilat pathai kubor ulaong Bakini ki sangut ki MLA jong ka party kila mudui ka Dorcas kat kum ka kindon jong ka clause bracket C jong ka article 179 jong ka riti sinshar kari India but ka rule 135 jong ka rules and procedure of business hapo ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.
The conscious decision taken by the CLP to move a resolution for the removal of the Honorable Speaker from the office of the Speaker. And this having been shared before you, since this has already been submitted before the Assembly as per the rules of procedure and conduct of business and inconsistent with the relevant provision of the Constitution of India, that is Article 179 of Constitution of India. The details we will be obviously discussing in the August House as we submit our stand as to why we justify our call for adopting a resolution for asking the Speaker to vacate the office of the State. See, as you all know, there is a whole dynamics of politics, and since this conscious decision of the CLP to move this resolution under the provision of the relevant provision of the Constitution of India and the relevant rules of procedure and conduct of business in the Legislative Assembly, we will be looking at issues which will draw the attention of every member of the House vis-a-vis our responsibility towards the people and towards the state. Based on that, how they respond to their respective call of duties. That is how we look at it. Because when issues are discussed and issues which revolves around the interests of the people, and we make a clarion call to look at how whoever feels that whatever we are saying is required to be responded to, and they find it somehow justifiable to articulate their concern and demonstrate their concern before the people of the state. We will look at how, as the discussion unfolds in the House, how they respond. Since the House has already been summoned, and since this particular issue has been already submitted before the Assembly in conformity with the rules of procedure and conduct of business, the details will be submitted before when the particular issue is taken up for discussion. But in as far as resolution required to be tabled before the August House in respect of a resolution for removal of the Speaker from the office of the Honorable Speaker, it requires minimum 14 days notice. Therefore, this is precisely the reason why a decision well ahead of the session has to be taken. But in respect of any no confidence motions against the government, it does not require that long notice. So that I think we should keep our cards close to our chest.